Hey, what's up YouTube? Custom PC review here, and today I'm going to do a simple unboxing of the Mionix Zibal 60 mechanical keyboard. And as you can see right there, they got the Mionix logo on the bottom of the keyboard, light years ahead of the game. And today's unboxing is going to be kind of different from what I usually do. It's going to be much more laid back, much less presentation, and just, you know, a really simple, informal kind of unboxing. And if you guys like it, make sure to comment on the bottom and let me know, and I'll do more of these if that's what you guys prefer. So all four parts of that box, it just said Zibal 60 and branded. So alright, so starting off, you've got the green backlit key illumination, Mionix action key. In the top row you have the media and illumination function keys, a heavy duty braided cable, and full speed USB 2.0. On the side you have Black Cherry MX mechanical key switches, detachable wrist rest, green backlit key illumination, multi-level brightness control, Mionix action key to access light media controls, 6-key rollover, rage-proof durability, connect group ports for audio mic, full-speed USB 2.0, and plug-and-play. In the box, you get the Mionix Zibal 60 keyboard, of course, the wrist rest, a keycap removal tool, and get started guide. Alright, so on to the unboxing. First thing you'll see is the Mionix Zibal 60 user's guide, very standard in most keyboards. Next thing you see is the palm rest, which is a nice addition. And finally, you have the keyboard itself. Now, one thing to note when you're just picking up the keyboard for the first time, it is quite a heavy keyboard, and it definitely feels like it will live up to the rage-proof durability marketing kind of jargon that they put on the box. So it's very nice, very solidly constructed, as you can see. Has a matte finish, which is nice because you can't really fingerprint a matte finish, and looks all around good. Very, very simple keyboard. And on the back you have this pretty large braided cable, and stemming from it you get the microphone, the headphone, and you get two USBs. One for the keyboard connection and one for the USB 2.0 hub. And all of these connectors are gold plated, which is always a nice touch. In addition, you also get this key remover. Alright, so on the back of the keyboard you have the two USB hub ports and the microphone and audio jack. In addition, on the bottom you have 2 feet, although the keyboard is already raised. So one comparison I wanted to do was with another mechanical keyboard, which was the Blackwidow, just regular edition, made by Razer. And as you can see on the Blackwidow, I already have like tons of fingerprints on it because of the piano black kind of finish compared to the Mionix. The Blackwidow is also slightly larger horizontally, and that's because it does include macro keys on the left side. So I'm going to do a quick typing test for you to kind of discern the difference between the sound. And the Blackwidow uses cherry blue switches compared to the Zibal 60 now. which use the cherry black switches. So cherry blue. And, yeah, so that's just going to be a quick overview between the two. And one thing to note is that the Blackwidow keys seem much cheaper built. The Mionix ones seem like they're built like a tank. It's very hard, and when you do push the keys in the Mionix, it does feel like it's a lot heavier. And this is going to be the keys lit in the dark. Alright, so thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment as always, and stay tuned for more.